Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the channel. It's an honor to come your way again and hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we are making condensed milk toffee. So guys, let's check on the things that I will use for this toffee. Over here, I have some condensed milk and also I will add some nut milk, some evaporated milk and with margarine. So if you don't have margarine, you can also use oil for this toffee. So let's get into the video. Into my pan here, I will add my margarine, and once it melts, I will go ahead and add my condensed milk and my other ingredients too. And if today is your first time of coming across this channel, thanks for clicking on this video. This is Getty Cooks. In this channel, we make food recipes, and if you are interested, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a video. So at this point, all the ingredients have been added, and I'll just stir. I will keep on stirring until it thickens up. So guys, please stay tuned.